So let me explain this as we go through it. So if I say the log base b of x is equal to y, and that the relationship between an exponential function and a logarithmic function is b to the y equals x, then consider the log base b of b. Well, that would mean that b, right, which is b, oops, it's not raised to the b. It looks like it's raised to the b, so let me fix that real quick. The log base b of b is really saying b raised to the y equals b. So that means that y has to equal 1. In other words, anytime you have the base of itself in a logarithm, the answer will always equal 1. So then what is the value of this? Well, this has to equal this. All right. And the value of log of x is always, well, let's figure that out. So if I switch things around, I would say my base, which is x, raised to the y has to equal 1, right? So then how do I do that? How do I solve that? Well, x can be any number, right? X could be any number, but how do I guarantee that it will always equal 1 if y equals 0, right? So 2 raised to the 0 equals 1, 3 to the 0 equals 1, 1,000 raised to the 0 equals 1. So this has to equal 0.